In this video, we are going to prepare crunchy popcorn without machine, that is without popcorn machine, also for commercial purposes. These are the ingredients: corn, vegetable oil, margarine, salt and sugar. Use smaller burner for this purpose. Do this under low heat. 1 cup of vegetable oil, pour it into a dry clean pot. Then teaspoon of butter. Then add like 3 pieces of popcorn into the oil and cover it until it start popping. Once you hear the first pop, then you add your measured corn inside the oil. This is the first pop. We are going to add half cup of corn, popcorn corn. There is a special corn for it. It's not just ordinary corn you buy from the market. There's a special corn. You ask them, the people selling corn, the corn for popcorn, they will sell it to you. Now the corn is assimilating the oil, it's absorbing it. Once it finishes, it will start popping. As you can see, it has started popping. Welcome to my channel. My name is Gloria. Please help us to subscribe to our channel and also share, like and comment. You can as well click the bell icon so that whenever we post good videos, you'll be notified. Thank you. You can now off the gas, the light, and remove it from the fire so that it will use the remaining heat on the pot to pop the last ones. Wow, the popcorn is now ready. It is ready. See, very hot, looking crunchy, looking tantalizing, very nice. We'll now transfer it into a bowl where we will season it. Like, we'll use the teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of salt to season it. If you are going to finish it instantly, look at it. Wow, zero pop. If you're going to finish it instantly, you can as well add milk, powdered milk inside it and mix all together. But if you're not sure of finishing everything that same day, don't add milk, because once air enter it, it will not taste good again or even look nice. So this is it. It is now time to package it. Do you know that if you have school children around you, like where you can sell it, you can as well use nylon bag to package it to different sizes. Add something that will attract them, like fried granuts and sweets inside it. And once they see it, they will know that they are buying three things at the same time or two things at the same time, depending on how you packaged it. Like, look at this one. There is granite inside it, and as well there is sweet inside it. And you can do supply to schools where they are having children party. You can do supply to them. The amount they paid will determine the packaging. If they pay well, you can package it this way. If they did not pay well, you can package it the other way or the smaller size. So that is it. Look at it. Everything is all about packaging. Just package it well. They are selling all these things in the market, in the baking shop. You can get this carton, or people that are doing printing, you can get it from there. This is another smaller size. School children can buy this one, but the other bigger ones, adults that like popcorn very well, they can afford the other one, they can buy it. Even school children can as well buy the other one in carton and in big nylon as well. So the amounts you're selling it to determine. Okay, it's a good business. It's a side hustle. Let me put it that way. You can use it as a side hustle if you can actually sell it. If you have where you can market it, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. Please, if you got value from this video, help us to subscribe. Also share.